Welcome to HTML4 video series, and this is part 6. In past we have looked at the few HTML tags, and today we'll be looking at some of the formatting way, using which you can make your content bit meaningful and nice. Okay, so we'll be looking at the other tags in the few next video tutorials, but right now we'll be focusing on formatting a content. There are a bunch of tags which help you format the content. So if you remember, last time we were there in video 5, and now we have moved to video 6, and in this I have the same content what I had in 5. So if I double click, you can see the content, right? Okay, so now we are going to start playing with this. So what are we going to do? We need some content, then we can make some changes to the text, and these are the tags. As you can see over here, they are very meaningful and they are self-explanatory what they are doing. So we are going to try first the B tag, and let's make the content as bold. Okay, so let's try that. And what are we going to do? We are going to over here and right click, open with notepad, and let's say, okay, now this is about formatting, right? So let's change the title. Formatting. This is formatting demo part 1, because we have the demo part 2 as well. And now for the sake of simplicity, I am going to make this guy as bold B. Always remember opening and closing. So I'll be closing down over here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the whole content. Okay, Alt Fs, and let's refresh the browser. So now the whole content will go, shine up a bit nice. So as you can see, the whole content is bold now, right? And it's my choice, like, how much content I wish to make it as bold. If I take the content from here and if I put it in here, so only that much part will get affected. So like you can see it, right? Okay, so now we understood the bold tag. Next tag is an italic. Okay, so if I wish, so let's go back and let's put the B as usual at the same place, and let's hit F5 to see. Okay, now the content is huge. So what I plan to do is I would like to make this guy as italic. So copy from here, and we'll take the small size. We share addiction, we are approval junkies. Okay, Alt Fs again, and now let's refresh. So you can see the content from here to here is in italics. Okay, what if I wish to make it as, what other things we have, as underline? Okay, for underline we have the U tag. So you can go like this. Okay, let's take what, yeah, okay, let's take this guy. We'll start from U in here and we'll end it till here slash U. Okay, let's Alt of S and let's run. So you can see that much content has an underline. Okay, so this is kind of like, the whole content is bold within itself. I'm trying to do the underline, I'm trying to do the italics, so it's up to me. It's kind of a nested, but you need to make sure the content must be close. I mean, like, the tag must be close, otherwise it will mess up the whole thing. If I forget and I go like this, Alt Fs, and let's check out the preview, it will take the whole thing. In fact, it destroys the footer as well. So you need to be very careful, right? Okay, so Control Z and we are back in action. Let's hit F5 and we are okay. Next is, so basically what we have covered is okay, okay, and okay. Next thing is, sometimes you need a space between two tags, or maybe in between content. Okay, so this is wrong. Tags and content as well. So I'll be showing you in between the content. So what are we going to do is, we are not going to put anything uh, after this. As you can see, uh, if I go like this, like, I hit enter, 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 and you think that this is going to work, let's hit F5. It's not gonna work. Even if I refresh and I do the things, it's not gonna work. So if you need a break, then you go like this, BR, okay, Alt Fs. So this whole thing will be put down to a next line. So let's see. So you can see from after approval junkies, the whole content, after this the whole content moved on to the next line. So that's what the use of BR. If you think the space is not enough, you can copy this, Control C, Control V again, and Alt Fs, and let's hit refresh. You have more space. So within the paragraph tag you are doing this. So it's up to you, it's up to you, it's your choice how you want to do it, right? So we are clear with the BR tag. That's the break. It's kind of add the space between your content and vertically two tags if they're needed. Then we have the horizontal rule. Let's see, this is your heading and this is the content of the beginning. What if I want, some sort of a separation in between? So what can I do? All I have to do is after H1, or when you enter the body, you can go like HR, Alt Fs, and let's hit refresh. And you can see there's a thin line which is appearing right up in between these two guys, which is separating. So it gives you a distinction. Alright, this is an heading. After that, there is a break of the line which is separating the content, and from here I can figure out that this is my body, and if I want to separate my footer as well, so I'll copy this guy and end of the body, or maybe in the start of footer I can put in HR. So I'll go like this, Alt Fs, and let's preview the page. After putting the HR in the page appears to be a bit more organized. You can verify this is my heading, this is my shitty content, and this is my footer, right? So I hope you enjoy this video, and if this video helps you in some way, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. This is not over yet. In the next part we'll be looking more on the formatting part. The next is going to be fun, so stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching this video, and good night and take care.